Vowels and consonants. In this video we are going to study about vowels. So out of 26 alphabet there are 5 vowels and the rest 21 letters are consonants. A, I am A. E, I am E. Hello, I am I. O, my name is O. U, I am U. So, A, E, I, O, U, we are vowels. And the rest 21 letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, we are consonants. So students, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now repeat the vowels after me. A, E, I, O, U. Once again. A, E, I, O, U. We all 5 are vowels. You can write vowels on your 5 fingers and then learn it. Thank you.